Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE S40 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and now since we are on the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings, which is in the left upper corner. As you can see, on the second position we've got the self timer, so simply tap on it, and we've got 3 different options from which we can choose right now. We've got of course disabled one, but we can set 2 or 10 seconds delay, so let me pick 10 seconds delay. Let's get back, and as you can see, it is also notified right here. Here we've got this small icon which will just show us how much you know, what kind of countdown we set. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. You will also hear this characteristic sound feedback from your device when it will count down from 3. Of course, you can pick the 2 seconds and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 2. And after disabling it, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your DOOGEE S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.